things tend to move at a slow pace in the Mississippi Delta. Clarksdale, a small city along the Mississippi Blues Trail, is a place where blues music and farming are a part of the city's fabric. And while the deliberate pace of the city goes on, teams of Air Force Reserve civil engineers are hastily working at Fletcher Field, building a flight bureau office and a hangar. As part of Air Force Reserve Command's innovative readiness training, a contingent of Air Force officials and members of local and state government came to witness the work being done by the reservists.
Well, from the Air Force Reserve Command perspective, it's phenomenal. It's a phenomenal opportunity for training. I mean, the community obviously has a need for the build and the labor, but we have a need to provide our airmen with the training critical for their progression through their career fields.
Well, we are extremely honored and grateful to be a strategic partner with the Department of Defense and the IRT program. We're very grateful in this part of the world, the 8 states, 252 counties and parishes that make up the Delta Regional Authority, and to be able to have a project, having these Air Force reservists in our part of the world to do this engineering project makes a huge impact on our community and our people.
During the 6-month project, different units from throughout the command rotate through every 2 weeks. The planning for this action is started a year in advance.
As part of this plan of action that we request a year ahead, we try to see where in their schedule they could fit into our schedule to make sure it fits the construction time frame. Well, the main challenge is making sure the equipment, the personnel, and the material are all here at the same time. All it takes in one project like this is one of those 3 things to drop, and then you start having problems with scheduling.
For the commanders of the individual units, having their troops participate in the IRT mission provides training that benefits the reservists and the unit's readiness.
The best thing that they learn out of it is the hands-on training that they get, because that's, as a commander, one of the difficult things that we deal with is how do we get our guys hands-on training. We just don't have that capability in the unit to do a lot of the things that they do.
Seeing the reserve engineers working at the airport is a familiar sight for the mayor of Clarksdale, as he served as a commander of an Army civil engineering unit.
I fully understand how important an airport is to a community. It's often the gateway to the community. I'm a veteran. I was an officer. I commanded a civil engineering company back in the day. And I appreciate the hard work.
The colonel who oversees all the innovative readiness training for the Department of Defense sees many advantages to this program.
It shows that this capacity that the United States taxpayer has bought not only defends the country and not only helps partner nations, but it also helps partner communities across the country as well.
The project is scheduled to be completed in early August 2013. Reporting from Clarksdale, Mississippi, for Air Force Reserve Command, I'm Air Force Master Sergeant Chance Babin.